Hi, I'm Sherrill and welcome to my sewing room. I get a lot of questions from viewers regarding sewing clothing. They're new, they're not sure what kind of clothing project to start with. So I'm going to take you through some really simple ones and work my way up to something that's a little more complicated. So the very first thing I recommend you start with is a simple scarf. The easiest scarf that I've made so far is this fleece scarf right here. It's got one seam and a little bit of fringe at the end. So you can wear it like this or tie it in a knot at the end. So you can see this is a really simple project. So if you're new, start with this one. And don't forget to make the matching hat. In this scarf, I've used two different fabrics. It's got two little seams and a little bit of hem along the edges. That previous scarf I just showed you was made out of gauze fabric. This is made out of a really sheer, transparent fabric. This one is really easy and extremely quick to make. If you want something a little more dressy for the evening, you can even add beaded fringe to the end of a scarf. And if you want something a little more whimsical, you can even add pom-pom fringe to the edges. One of my other favorite things to do is take my existing wardrobe and make some of the pieces over. This started out as a very plain t-shirt, but up along the neckline I added extra large grommets as an embellishment, and it made it look like I paid a lot of money for this shirt when all I did was pay a couple of dollars. I had a lot of old sweatshirts that I was just about ready to throw away when I realized I could cut the bottom off and add a shirt tail, which right now is very stylish and really in. This sweatshirt was so easy to do and only took a few minutes. I cut the sleeves off, did a little decorative stitch over the edge that almost all sewing machines have now, cut the neckline off, did a decorative stitch around the edge, cut a little slit, put a couple of buttons there, and it has a completely different look. And this is a fleece shawl wrap, and it's got pockets on it to keep your hands warm. This started out as a beach towel, and in the video I show you how to take any beach towel and turn it into a beach towel cover-up. You can make it with or without the elastic waist. This is a kimono. This is a very simple project to make. I show you with detailed instructions how to draw your own pattern and make it to fit your body type. This is a poncho and it has a hood on the back. I'll show you how to make it to fit you, and it's not that difficult to do. And if you've always wanted to learn how to make an apron, I have several different styles you can make. You can make it with or without the pockets, or with or without the bib up at the top. Also, viewers tell me that when they buy a pattern, it's over their head. They don't understand the terms that are in the pattern instructions. So I do have a video out called How to Read a Pattern. This poncho was made from a pattern that I bought at Walmart. Now, it doesn't matter if you can still get this pattern or not, is that when you're watching it, you're learning how to deal with the terms and instructions that are in there. You can also learn how to make adjustments to the size if necessary. For more video project links, make sure you play this video until a green screen appears and then click on those links. If you like this video, would you please click on that old thumbs up button, and don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click on that red subscribe button down there in that lower right hand corner of your screen. Make sure you click on that little bell and enter your email address so you'll receive email notifications about my latest video. If for some reason you're not receiving those email notifications, go to your cell phone or iPad, click on Settings, and turn Notifications in the On position. I'm Sherrill, this is Manny. So glad you came to my sewing room. See you next time, and happy sewing!